Okay, well, instead of my hair looking like this, you...
Why y'all arguing? You doing your hair?
No. She want to look like David Turner.
Let me see your let me see your hair.
Somebody said,
Let me see your hair.
No. Bitch, don't fuck me.
Tall shit.
I'm finna get off.
So like, how old y'all is?
Are you from Chicago? I'm 18.
You would?
18.
Tight shit. I'll get your number.
My number?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's 3.
Monday that. Damn, the fuck? That ain't no 360, girl.
360?
Yo, that must be a freak or something. That's too fast. Do something crazy then. Do something crazy then if you 17.
Something crazy?
Do something crazy. I think you 17. What's your number? Fuck it. What's your number? Cause shit. What's your number?
You want my number? That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna call you tonight, but I'm about to go. You go hop in the shower type shit.
Okay, so I'm 19.
Oh,
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Who else? Casper.
Oh, I'm 19.
You got a nigga?
No, where you from?
Chicago. You?
Oh, how old are you?
18.
Oh, you 18. Oh, you a little baby, no?
Bro, ain't no baby over here for
I'll
me.
say. But yeah.
Tight, you got the
What's
tats.
up with you?
I'm chilling. I'm looking for my future wife type shit. You feel me?
You said what?
Looking for my future wife.
Oh, yeah, future wife.
I think I already found her.
Oh, you did?
I'll get your number.
My number?
Yes, I'll call you.
And you don't use it, though.
I'm gonna call you.
Okay, I'm gonna get it. Grab my phone. I'm about to type it in the little thing. Or you want me to just give it to you?
Tight shit. I'm gonna screenshot it.
Okay, I'm gonna type it.
Tight shit.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
But can I get like a little 360? See what I'm working with.
A 360?
Trying to see what I'm working with.
I'm gonna have to set you. Shit. Hold on, I gotta set my phone back up. Hold on. You ain't gonna get me to get no 360. I ain't got no ass. I'm sorry.
Nah, who said you gotta have ass?
360. 360.
Your shit just over there. You gotta redo that. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, your shit not like. It's not lagging no more. Talk about some that's late. Girl, you got a little something. You hear me? Type shit.
What?
You got a little something back there.
No.
You got a little
number.
type shit. Now you for the text me, I'm for see my shit. I don't text first. My shit right there. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 17.
I'm gonna screenshot it.
Alright, then text me.
Alright.
Alright, peace out, baby mom. No.
I wanna ask you a question.
What?
What?
Fix the camera so I can see it. You gotta like turn it around, folks. Now you gotta shake it, folks.
I gotta shake it?
Yeah. You a freak.
Stop. Okay.
Oh, why you What's your? Hey, text my number. I'm for the. Hey, you be my little. You
need Snapchat.
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 Who the fuck be on Snapchat?
That's his number.
Huh? What's your Snapchat?
I'm a screenshot. I'm gonna send your number, okay?
Alright, but tell her, let me get a little show before I leave though.
A little what? Oh, you want a little show?
A little show. I'm talking to you here. Where y'all from? Damn.
Hello.
Yo.
Why you not responding to me?
You just said hello, so I said yo. You already smiling. What you smiling at? What you smiling at? Yo, what?
Well, it's inside out right now, but it's like a romper.
Ty, shit, what you doing tomorrow?
Huh?
What you doing tomorrow?
Nothing. You mean tonight? I'm not doing that tonight either, but my homegirl come pick me up.
Your homeboy.
Homegirl, what the fuck?
If I see you my number, you gonna text me?
I probably would.
Probably is. I'll try to call you tonight. That's the thing.
Tonight.
Mm-hmm.
I might answer. I answer everything, but I just like, who is this? You know, just tell me who you are, and I'll probably talk to you. I kind of want to say something.
Take a screenshot of it.
Dang, that's a long ass. Oh, okay. Can you shake that dreads?
Can you shake that ass?
Hey, got those stupid ass.
One of y'all got some ass? I'm gonna be shaking my head. Shake that ass.
Look, I got you. Hold on, Rick.
So like y'all ain't got nothing back there for like no cake.
Yeah, no.
I give her a 360 so I can see for myself.
A 360?
Yeah.
Girl might give him a 360.
That's it. The 360. See what you got back there.
From who?
Both of y'all. Whatever one of y'all. Both of y'all. Shit. Ty, shit. Your turn. You set it down. Your turn.
Damn. Oh my God. Get your ass.
Your turn. Let me
yeah,
see.
might say right. No. Come on, do your girl, come spend your motherfucking body.
So, what's your number? You got some back there, fool. She got a nigga.
Yeah, she knows she got some. That's why she doing that.
What's your number, fool?
Oh yeah, what's your number, girl? My number. You gotta go in your phone. She finna give it to you. Girl.
Nah, you finna text me. That shit dead.
Who the fuck is you? You didn't just ask for her number?
My number right there.
Say you want to talk to her? Can you send me that number? Maya, go. I'm sorry.
Cause I know she got a nigga. Cause I can hear a nigga on your phone, so I know that she got a nigga. That's why I asked you.
She probably do have a nigga. She finna send it to me. She do got a friend. You type slow as fuck.
But y'all siblings. Y'all look just like.
Okay, shit, I just got it. I'ma text you.
Alright, I'll give one more 365. Go.
But no, I'm just playing. She said I look like a mother. You gonna let her talk to me like? Are you sure? Yeah.
Only fool.
Get that shit out my fucking phone.
Hello.
Let me get her up.
Look, I'm standing no business. Can I get a 360?
Is business standing on you or is you standing on it?
I'm standing no business now. Can I get a 360?
A 360.
Yeah.
Play that banjo, Sam. Sam was on this bitch playing the banjo.
I'll get a 360.
What's up, Billy Ray Side? Oh, you want to see his ass fat? What's up, you smoking? Blueberry. It's fat. Blueberry mint? I don't like mint.
Now, why y'all in the dark? Y'all can't turn no light on. Dark as hell.
The light is on. Can't you see the light?
Alright, stand back up, cause I ain't see shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Make a move. We try to tired shit. How about your friend, folks?
Yeah.
How about her? Let me see yours.
I need help too.
Let me see yours.
Yeah. She don't want to talk to you. She talking
So
to
like,
you.
I'm down for the talk to you, right?
My boyfriend dad.
What the fuck?
What's your number? What's your number for? What's your number?
I don't know my number. I can give you my Insta and we can follow me and then we can talk and then I can give you my number.
Give me your Instagram for. Before I leave, can I get a little show?
No, I gave you the show, baby.
I said before I leave.
I gave you the show.
A little last show, then I'm gonna add you. You feel me?
That's the show right there. That cloud. That's it.
Tight shit.
Hi.
How old you is?
How old you is?
I'm 17. How old you is?
I'm 16.
Alright, so look, I stand on business. So could I get a 360?
Sure. Let me get up. Okay, hold up. Okay, look. Damn. Okay, I'm looking short, so like we're not gonna talk about it though. Okay? We're not gonna talk about it, but
You gotta do it slow. You did it too fast. You.
okay.
Your shit just overlag. You gotta redo it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It just lag.
Bro. Okay.
Ties. Oh, you short too. You like freaky niggas? I don't fuck with you. You a freak?
No.
Tight stuff. I'll get your number.
I've been celibate for like a little minute. Cool little minute.
Then we can get married tight stuff. You feel me? See what I leave.
You're in Chicago.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in Las Vegas.
I am 17, about to be 18, which means travel and come to you. Simple. Quick math.
You're gonna travel?
Yeah, to come see you. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Text my number. You think I'm playing? Boom, my number right there.
Oh. Damn.
What you looking at?
What?
What you looking at?
My TV.
Why you not looking at me? The fuck?
You wasn't saying anything, so.
You got a nigga?
No, you got a bitch.
Hell nah, you finna be my female. You feel me? I don't call female bitches. I disrespectful. But like,
You look like you got a bitch.
you look like I got a bitch. What the fuck?
I do, but okay.
I get your number.
My number.
Yeah.
Okay.
You go put in a chat. Oh, you got the iPad too. Look at you over there.
Yeah.
You got the pink one, don't you?
I got a bitch.
You got the pink one.
Nope.
Tight shit. Like real talk though. I'll give it a little 360 though.
You want to stand up?
Yeah.
How you not got clothes on? I'm curious.
I just know you do. You feel me? Who would be on monkey naked? That shit kind of insane.
You can't see my body, so.
I know, but could I get a 360 though?
You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it.
How long don't you say? Wait. Hell.
Because you don't. Bitch, you see it?
Shake that motherfucker. Shake that motherfucker right now. Shake that motherfucker right now.
Okay.
Shake that motherfucker right now. You a freak. You a freak. Is you a freak? How old you was? How old you is?
17.
You said what?
17.
Same. Call it a 360. You know how to twerk. Let me get a little show. Hold on. Damn.